Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. Today I have a thrift haul for you and a small Target haul. I'm also getting out my fall decor. I'm so excited. I've just started slowly bringing it in, and I actually put stuff into the store like 2 weeks ago, week and a half ago. That's fall as well. So I'm really getting ready for that here. But I have a smallish haul. There's not a whole lot. I've actually had really poor luck, and I'm not sure what's going on. We went to yesterday 3 different Goodwills that aren't in our typical area. I had an appointment for my arm. It's really been bugging me. I've had a lump, and anyways, long story short, I'm having another surgery, but this one should be very easy to recover from. So I'll be happy to have everything done for good. But we went to 3 different Goodwills, and not a single one, not one had anything for smalls, nothing. Like, we got a few DVDs for our 18-year-old, and we got a couple sweatshirts, a fleece throw, but like nothing to flip, nothing. And I don't know what's going on, and we haven't been able to find anything at yard sales. So what you have here is a mix of some yard sales and Goodwill over the past 2 to 3 weeks. You can see my craft junk. Anyways, let me just get into this. First off, I'm going to show you, I moved the container I was going to put these in when I got done showing you. I bought a canister set. It is white, and there's the 4 different sizes. So 1, 2, they were $2.99, $2.99, $3.99, and it looks like they're Cook's Club. And the big one was $4.99. The seals are all still really good. I don't know. I'm really torn. They're white, and a lot of times you can't find white. You can find cream, but not white. I'm really torn whether I should put like a crockery stamp on these. I have one on like a utensil crock. Let me grab it and I'll show you quick. It's in my pile that's going to the store later today. So like this, do them like this. This is a permanent ink that doesn't come off. As you can see, I'm rubbing pretty good there. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I should do, one of these on each one, or just leave them white and try to sell them as is. But those are definitely for resale. I'm not keeping these. I have, I have quite a few in my hoard and on my counter. So I don't need any more personally. And I bought those specifically to flip. So those will get something, whether it's a transfer or a stamp, something will be done to those to zhuzh them up a bit. Okay, next up, this was a yard sale find. It is a Pyrex dish. I believe, excuse me, this goes with the big daisies, and I can't think of what it's called. But I finally, after we've been here 9-10 months, I finally dug out my Pyrex and put it on my shelf downstairs and then up above my cupboards in my kitchen. And I have like my red ones with my Christmas Pyrex, and for the little fridgies, and then my teal ones up with my butter print. And I think I'm gonna get my daisy ones. They're out in the garage. I know where they are. And I think I'm gonna put this up with them, make it look cute. But that's for me. I paid $0.25. The lady's like, I don't know how it's still here. And I'm like, for $0.25, I don't either, especially with the lid. Next up was a Goodwill find for $3.99. These look super cute with, I'm trying to find a piece of floral back here in my craft stash. Just a single bud in it. Well, maybe a couple, because this one's kind of scrawny. But just to throw a couple in there. My purse is on them. That's the problem here. Get some different heights in there. But yeah, super easy to style these up. Look really cute with some cotton right now for fall. It would look really cute with some little cotton ball ones. This will probably go in the store too. I like when you can get things that you just wash up, peel the tag off, and then you're good to go. So I don't even know how much I'll sell this for. I have another one in the store right now. I don't know if you guys remember the one that had the flower frog on it. But that one was really cute. So this next thing, oh, let's do this next. This was from that same yard sale that I got the Pyrex at. This was 50 cents. I am torn on whether to throw him in the store as is or to paint him. I don't know. Thoughts, people? He's in pretty good condition. He's just resin. I got this next item is just, I don't know, I took a flyer. We do live in a farming community. And I paid $4 for this, so $3.99. I thought it was cute. I don't know. I'll probably paint it, distress it back. I have no idea if it'll sell. I don't know. It was cute. So we'll see. Took a flyer. Got to do that every now and then, right? All right. Got this little organizer for $3.99. This will definitely get painted up. There's not really anywhere to put any sort of decal or anything. So we'll just get this thing painted up and distressed to show some nice detail. Trying to stack down there and it's not going so well. Next, I have the hugest embroidery hoop. This is actually, I saw the measurements on it somewhere. What the heck? There we go. I want to say it was like 26 inches is what it said. Anyways, this I have a craft idea for. And if I remember, I will do a video of it. But it's going to involve some drop cloth and some stamps. I'm kind of excited. Maybe some stenciling too. Anyways, stay tuned for that one. But this was $3.99. It's a little bit more than what I typically pay for them. I used to be able to get these for like $1.25. Yes, this big, because I have a couple of them downstairs. And not anymore. For some reason, the price on those have skyrocketed. Okay. Next is this, and I'm not sure, this is $5.99 and it does have it so you can turn the boxes and put them this way and hang it, or this way and hang it. And I'm not sure, I mean, either way is totally cool, but I was thinking about numbering the boxes. I'm not sure if I'm going to do anything to this. Honestly, it needs cleaned up. Obviously, it needs some cleaned up. But I actually really like this color gray, and whitewash is always good. And the drawers pull really smooth right now as is. So maybe I'll just clean this up and then stencil on in white 1 and 3, and then gray do it 2. Then it can still be used either way as well. So again, I paid $5.99 for that. And then I always love, okay, I'm gonna do these first. $2 at a yard sale. I got 3 mirrors. And you know, I love mirrors, especially with the fall and winter coming up. They are great to put in dark corners or in hallways to bounce light, to make it appear brighter, to make it appear, I don't know. I really use them a lot. I know a lot of people don't, but I really like using them. And these nice little skinny ones are actually, see my flowers, are perfect for little small areas. So, like where the cheese grater thing is right there, it would be a perfect size to put there. Just to bounce some light. Actually, all 3 of these would work right there. So then next up we have this shape. And these are all like gold tone plastic. They're not expensive frames. This next one's probably the most expensive frame. And there we go. But these will all get painted up and then distressed back. And I have good luck selling mirrors, especially that octagon shape there. I do pretty well with that shape. And then last but not least, guys, I found 2 more cheese plates with cloches. Paid $4.99 for each of these. Yeah. And that's probably the most I've paid for them. I think I try to keep it, I have the hiccups and I don't know why, sorry. I try to keep it around $3.99. $4.99 is not terrible. I charge, once I redo them, I charge 20 bucks and they sell very fast for me. The last 2 I put in the store sold within the month. I just put 2 more in, and instead of doing apothecary and white, I did white and black. And not sure what colors I'll do these. Maybe like a dark turquoise, like this, or I don't know, just something more fall, maybe Christmas. I haven't decided, but I got 2 of them. So this one's just got a sharper edge on it rather than the rounded. I gotta hold both of them at one time, not always possible. And the wood's a little darker. But again, those sell really well for me and really fast. So that's all I have. I mean, seriously, it's been very sad. Very sad. I haven't been able to find anything. And yesterday, after the 3rd Goodwill, we didn't buy anything at that one. And I just told my husband I was ready to leave. I was just done. I was disappointed and bummed. But along the way, not yesterday, but when me and Katie were out thrifting this past weekend, I think it was this past weekend. Oh, I found 2 other things. They're covered up by a blanket. We have a blanket draping over a chair to dry that was washed. Anyways, so I paid, I think, $2.99 for this at Goodwill. And what I had in mind for this, I do plan on painting the frame to make it look old and aged. But if you guys, can't remember if I did them on a video or not, but I took old pages of a book and then stamped different farm animals on them, and then another one with some branches and birds. And I want to frame them and put them in the store and see if they sell just as little works of art. So I've got this one, which is just a plain icky colored wood. And then for $1 at a yard sale, I got this one. And this is just a Walmart. It still has the sticker on it. So, it's just a Walmart one, but I like the edging. And this will be really cool, painted and then distressed back to show that. And then I think there was one other thing. There's something, what did I buy? It was $5. Oh my gosh, my brain is just fried. Oh, it's over there. I'm putting it in the store right away. Give me 2 seconds. First of all, I'll show you a sign I made this week that's going in the store. This is just a transfer on a board. This is one of the Target boards. I think they were $5. But that's going in the store. But this is too. This just needs wiped down. It's dusty. This was $5 at a yard sale. It's got the little A-frame so it can stand up. But it's really cute. My daughter said I should have painted this apothecary so it matched the bookends that I did. Because they kind of have the same floral-y, yeah, very cottage-core, so very in. I try to carefully set that down so nothing falls. All right, so let me show you, as I'm dropping pumpkins over here, let me show you what I got from Target in their dollar section. It's had a plant spilled on it. Thank you, kitties. But I love their little dollar section for their fall decor. They have the best pumpkins, and I actually have a big basket full of them. I'll have to take a picture. I don't know if I have one. I just filled it up today. The felt pumpkins I showed you at the beginning, these are actually from the dollar section. I don't know if it was last year, 2 years ago, maybe longer. I don't even know. And they range from $1 to $3, and I love them to death. These, though, happen to be my favorite. These are like a velour, and they're dirty. Again, my cats decided to knock a plant over. This year's colors, though, has a beautiful pink, the orange, the white, the navy, this gorgeous green. I wish I could find a bunch of those. And then this gold. So these will go in a basket, and I have one. I should have brought it over here to put them in. Give me a second. Okay, so my auntie is moving and sent home with us a bunch of stuff, including this adorable basket, which will probably get painted, to be honest. But they look super cute. I mean, the colors are so beautiful. They also, this year, they have bigger ones like these again. And I didn't get those because I tend not to use those ones as much. My cats like those a little bit too much. You can see the one here. They just kind of mess with the felt on it really bad. So I have to watch where I put those. This year, though, they also had these adorable yarn ones. A navy, a white. I found a gray and a go. I love these. I know I'm gonna have to put these where my cats won't get them, because I know they're gonna want to chew up and snag up that yarn. But I think these are so cute. But they have a great selection of fun fall stuff, including some new dish towels that'll hang up on my antique cabinet in there, in my kitchen. And then last but not least, I bought this. So I have typically a tiered tray on my dining room. Right now it's chaos in here because I was doing some work and we're moving things back down into the basement for winter and fall, since it doesn't get, it's so humid down there right now, but it should be cooling off. So they have, and they have other ones, which I can't wait to find them too, but these are their tiered tray starter kits. And they have 5 little mini signs in this one. One's a book stack that says fall, sweet fall. And we have blessed, thankful, grateful, blessed. This one says, every year I fall for pumpkins, bonfires, s'mores, autumn leaves, apples, and you. And then I love fall most of all. And I'm not sure, this is the one I used for my summer decor I had out here, and I'm not sure, I haven't decided if I'm gonna go with that one or one of my black ones, but I loved this. I thought these were so cute. I wasn't impressed with the tiered trays they had for fall, for this release that they had in, so I didn't grab those, but love, love, love their pumpkins and their fall decor. You need to go check out the Target Bullseye Dollar Space. Perfect. I love it. They get a lot of stuff from there. Like I have the jars with the wood lids and so much fun stuff. Anyways, that's all I have today. Please like, subscribe, and share with all your friends that you think might like this type of content. And oh, you know what else I have? Do you see that? That little picture? I bought that. I don't even remember how much it was. $2.99. That, if you remember, I found this, and they match. The blues match. I paid $5.99 for this at Goodwill, and this was a couple hauls ago, and I told y'all I was going to keep this one, and I did, because I absolutely love these blue stripes on there, and that crock matches it. The little picture crock matches it perfectly. I was super duper excited, you guys. That was also in this haul, but it was personal, so I moved it and then I forgot. But anyways, please like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you next time. Bye.